If you want to know how you can set up the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just press and hold the side button on your Galaxy Fit 3 until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Just like that. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now on this screen, just swipe up. Now just tap on the language on the screen and from this list just select your language. After you do that, now just follow the next step on your smartphone. Now on your Android phone, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just download the Galaxy Wearable app. Once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. Tap on More and tap on Start. Select Allow. Tap on Allow. And from here, just select Scan again. And once you do that, the signal of your Galaxy Fit 3 will appear on the screen. Just tap on it. And once you do that, a code will appear on your Galaxy Fit 3. Now just make sure that the code are the same. Then tap on Pair on your smartphone. Tap on OK. Then download the Galaxy Fit 3 plugin. Now after you download the plugin, just go back to the Galaxy Wearable app. Then install Samsung Accessory Services. Now after you do that, then go back to the Galaxy Wearable app. Now as you can see, the Galaxy Wearable app redirected us to the Google Chrome. Now from here, just sign into your Samsung account. Now just enter your email. After you enter your email address, then tap on Next. Select Sign in with Google. Then select your email address from here. Select Agree to All and tap on Continue. Select Allow. Now just tap on Settings. Tap on Permissions. And from here, just tap on Location. And select Allow while using the app. After that, just go back. Then tap on Continue. Select Allow all the time. Then go back and tap on Allow. Now just wait for a few seconds until your Galaxy Band is fully set up. From here, just select Galaxy Fit 3. Then select Agree to All. After you select Agree to All, tap on Continue. Now just tap on Next. Now just set the orientation of your band. Now if you're wearing the band on your right or on your left hand, just select the hand where you're wearing your band. For an example, I will select the left hand and select the bottom position, if it is on the right side of the band or if it is on the left side. I will select the right side, then tap on Next. Tap on Continue. Now just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, we are all set up. Now on our Galaxy Band, just tap on Skip. And as you can see, we have successfully set up our Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.